Hi guys, so I had a delivery very early this morning and I'm so excited to show you, so I thought I'd do a little unboxing. I'm sure you can spy it on my desk right now. The new Gelish Go file that we've all been waiting so long for. So yeah, I'm just going to unbox it. This will be my first look at it in real life as well, so exciting. Okay, so we have here portable and desktop rechargeable file with patent pending docking station. So just going through its features, it's 35,000 RPMs with true torque technology, smooth, quiet, vibration-free handpiece, forward and reverse switch, variable speed control, rechargeable, so 8 to 10 hours battery life, file wire charging, which is a big thing for me because my other one you couldn't charge it while using it, and you know there's nothing worse than being in the middle of a set and then the battery runs out on you, so I'm really looking forward to being able to charge this while I'm using it. Auto off, so protects against overload, I'm guessing that's like battery overload. Acetone resistant control box and power dock, which again for a lot of us that will be a big thing as well, because there's nothing worse than spilling a bit of acetone or remover or whatever cleanse and it, you know, ruining the look. Illuminated power indicator, so I really like that because again it tells you when it's fully charged, so it just comes up with a green button so you know exactly, and I'm also loving the fact that it will tell you when it's near low battery as well, so you don't have any sudden surprises again halfway through a client. Compact and lightweight, which is great if you're using it for mobile or if you're going between using it at your desk and then pedicure station. And then auto switch. So on the back here it just breaks it all down. So we've got handpiece, the actual e-file itself, the docking station, and then the plastic casing, which is what you can clip onto your belt if you're mobile. So let's open it and see. The handpiece, so as most e-files do, will come with a little metal piece in it. Obviously you don't use that, you just take it out and then you can replace it with your bits. It's got a locking and unlocking feature, which is great. Then the actual unit itself, so you can see the battery indicator here. I love this, it's actually really lightweight. So you've got reverse and forward, and then your actual speed, so max speed all the way down here. So this does require a full charge before you can use it. So it takes about 5 hours, I think, to get to a full charge. It's got some documents in here. And what I just said, important, battery needs to be fully charged before use. So in here we've got our cord for charging. So you can either leave it plugged in while you're using it, or you can unplug it as soon as it's charged and use it cordless. And then this is the bit that would clip onto your belt if you're using it maybe at your pedicure station while you're away from your desk. And in here we've got the docking station, which would sit nicely on your desk. All these boxes. This is quite lightweight as well. So you can see here that it must plug into the eFile itself. So if you're using it sort of wireless, this is where you plug in to charge it. But you can also put your eFile straight in there to connect. And then at the bottom, or side even, is where you then plug in the lead to charge it if it's sitting in its docking station. So that's quite nice as well. And I'm also loving that we can charge our phones, because that's one thing I hate, is when my battery runs out and I've got to go searching for the nearest plug, which is very difficult to get into for my setup. It's all the way in this corner down there, which is really hard. So that's great, especially when clients want to plug in their phone as well. So I'm loving this. That's really easy to fit in and really easy to pull out as well, and then even easier to pull out from the belt bit. So I will probably mostly have mine on the desk like this somewhere. So just to show you in comparison to the last eFile that we use, or that we were selling, where do I plug that in there? So this is my current eFile, which Nail Harmony also sell. Also has the belt bit. Sorry, you can see it's so full of dust. So there, the same belt bit, and that would come out, which actually doesn't come out as easy as the GoFile does. So I'm loving that that one just slides out really easily, but it still feels very secure. And then here we've got the speed, back and reverse, and then the battery, so that goes red when it needs charging. So I have absolutely loved this, and I'm very sad that our story together is over, but I'm just loving that this one will tell me when it needs charging, that most of all I can charge it while I'm using it, and also the handy USB port for charging your phone or something, your iPad, whatever you use. So in regards to bits, the GoFile has exactly the same size, so we'll take all your bits that you already have. If you haven't got bits and you're looking for bits, then we do also sell the bits. These will be the same as what we sold for the last Power 20K eFile. So you've got your usual carbide bit barrel, so for debulking, taking off colour from enhancements. Then you've got your diamond football bit, and that is for cuticle work. So if you're a beginner at cuticle work with the eFile, this little bit is very, very handy. Then we've got the diamond fill bit. So this can be used for cutting out French, and it can also be used for lifting. This bit here is very handy for taking away lifting. And then we've got the tapered carbide bit. So I love this for going under and debulking from that end. So these are the bits that we'll be selling still with the new Gelish GoFile. So all prices can be found on nailharmonyuk.com. In regards to the price of the GoFile, it's not that much more expensive than the old one that we were selling. So it'll be $299.99 plus VAT. So not too bad. So yeah, what I'm going to do is, once it's all charged up, is I'll do a set using it, so you can see how I get on, and then I can let you know about how it feels sort of using it, heaviness wise, lightweight wise, vibration, but yeah, I have high hopes for it. I'm sure I'll love all of it. Alright guys, if you've got any questions, just drop it in the comment. I'm happy to answer anything.